Hi everyone. We, the Indians, celebrate our Republic Day on January 26. On this day in 1956, our country became republic by adopting one of the best constitutional framework in the world. This video includes the basic information of the Constitution of India. First question: the fundamental principles and laws of a democratic nation. Constitution. When did the Constitution of India came into being? 26 January 1950. The father of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The constitutions are globally classified as written and unwritten constitutions. The longest written constitution of any country on earth, the Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India. The mission which led to the formation of the Constituent Assembly, the Cabinet Mission of 24th March 1946. The man who put forward the idea of the Indian Constitution, M.N. Roy. The Constitutional Assembly was formed on 6th December 1946. The Supreme Committee of Constitutional Assembly was the Drafting Committee. The Drafting Committee was formulated on 29th August 1947. Who was the chairman of Drafting Committee? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The first meeting of the Constitutional Assembly was on 9th December 1946. The national flag was adopted on 22nd July 1947. The national anthem was adopted on 24th January 1950. The architect of the preamble of Indian Constitution, Jawaharlal Nehru. The preamble of Indian Constitution is borrowed from USA. What is known as the soul or the key of Indian Constitution? The preamble. The country which the fundamental rights are borrowed from, USA. How many fundamental rights are there in Indian Constitution? 6. The fundamental duties are borrowed from Russia. The National Day of Law is observed on January 26. The time taken to prepare the Constitution of India, 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. The Indian Constitution was first handwritten by Prem Bihari Narain Raisada, the artist who designed the cover page of Indian Constitution, Nandalal Bose. The nature of Constitution of India, quasi-federal. The idea of republic is borrowed from France. What is referred to as the Indian Magna Carta, the keystone of democracy and the conscience of Indian Constitution, the fundamental rights. Which part of the Indian Constitution is considered as its heart and soul? Article 32. What was the structure of Constitution at its enactment? 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. Now it has 448 articles in 25 parts and 12 schedules. Hope this video is informative and useful to you. Please do subscribe my channel for timely updates. Thank you.